The Supreme Court has refused to recognize same-sex marriage, saying that it is for the legislature to do so. I have with me one of the prominent activists as well as petitioners in this particular case, Akkai. And thank you so much for joining us. So what was the demand that was laid out by you in the petition?
You are enjoying all the social benefits and we are not enjoying the social benefits. You are so privileged because you are a woman and man, and we are so very much enjoying that we belong to the lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, intersex community. But the system of society was not understanding the real feelings, orientation, our choices, our attraction, our preferences. So how do you bring this discourse to the public realm was the so-called concern. And you know that from 2009 to 2013 to 2014 to 2018, the Supreme Court Constitution Bench and various judgments are in favor of the movement of sexual minority.
But this time it has failed to recognize the same-sex marriage. Your thoughts?
So this is talking about the marriage equality petition, and I think we were keenly listening to the Supreme Court Constitution Bench verdict. I think I hardly welcome the verdict. I hardly welcome this observation, and I want to respect the differences. I think it's a long way to go. We are a struggling community. We are facing so much of challenges. There are still so much of hurdles coming through. There are so much of determinations coming through. How do you fight this? I think that's the only way that we can really, taking off all these judgments and the current Supreme Court Constitutional verdict, it's an appropriate time for India to legalize marriages of the consensuality, willingness, and with consent. And on the issues of transgender petition is concerned, the Constitution bench is almost clear. I think it has also broken the stereotypical thinking perspective and making us to be part of the mainstream. I want to thank the Constitution bench of this country.
You are one of the other petitioners, so what are your thoughts on this? Are you slightly disappointed?
It is not disappointed or happy kind of things. Still we are hoping and enjoying the what constituency morality is there. But when it's come to the transgender issue, court directly they said heterosexual. We are from the heterosexual community. We are enjoying our marriage rights and all that. But when it's come to the LGBTQ community, there is lots of argument and point out came out. But we are very happy.
It's going to be a long road. So what next for you?
See, next we will take it forward. We will bring these issues parliamentarians, and we will lobbying with the parliamentarian, and let's see, we can hope it.
And what are your next steps?
Just meet all the heads of this nation, approach them, talk to them, agitate with them, fight with them, make sure that our voices are heard through the system of legislature, and we should be part of the system of parliament, means the Raj Sabha, the Lok Sabha, the council as well as the assemblies. That's the next movement begins from today.
Thank you so much for joining us. So that'll be the next movement beginning right from today, and the fight will go on. With camera person Govind, Pratibha Raman in Bengaluru for NDTV.